This is the Osmo Pocket 4P. I just got this thing right off of AliExpress. I've been waiting for a while. I literally wanted a white one, but the white one wasn't available. So DJI took forever to bring the white one out. So my AliExpress seller was like, I recommend you getting the black one. There's no ETA on the white one. So I decided to get the black one. And here it is. This is the black one. Came in today. It took 11 days for shipping as he shipped it. But I ordered this back in June before they released it globally. And I was trying to get the white one. So that's why it took so long, because I was stubborn and I wanted the white one that bad. So now I got this one. I'm recording this on my Osmo Pocket 3. And I'm recording this weird because I got my setup. I got it upside down. So if you see me doing some weird stuff, I'm trying to flip this around. So I bought this. I do vlog content. Yes. I'm going to start doing more vlog content. But I do this videos with my Osmo Pocket 3 doing sports content. I do a lot of basketball clips and things of that nature, volleyball clips, football clips. And I'm trying to branch out from my sports page to do more and more sports clips to on my Instagram and YouTube. Basically, it was for my son at first and my daughter, and now I'm branching out to doing more and more videos for other people. But let's go into the setup. So we're in English. Okay. Now it says device name, scan the code, download the app. Let's see. I'm using my phone. I'm using my phone to activate. So I'll be right back. All right, let's try this again. So I got the app on my other phone now. So here we go. English. It's popping up on my app right there. If you can see it, it's connected. Probably got to do some firmware updates. Let's go English. Accept. Now I'm about to activate it. See, I got to activate. This is from, like I said, from AliExpress. So legit device here. Activate my email. Register and device. Confirming. See, I want y'all to see. So you can see that I got it from AliExpress. I can say you see. I'll show you if you want to see it. The seller and everything. We're going to activate with the server. And there it is. Activation success. I got a firmware to download. That's why I had to figure that. Let me get this done. Downloading the firmware. And so it's going to download the firmware. And I guess I'll go through it. And I'll be back. So I can go through the setup with you guys. Telling me about the shutter button. The joystick. 5D joystick. The zoom button. I'm going to go through it myself. Custom button. Rotate the screen. Storage. And I'm going to get a screen protector for this because this thing seems to look beautiful. All right, so swipe down, control center, got your microphone, settings and everything. Oh, got a couple pages now. Storage device. I haven't put my SD card in here. I got my SD card in the one I'm recording in now. Swipe up. We go on 4K 60 all the time unless I'm doing something cinematic. But shooting basketball clips, 4K 60 all the time. Like I said, I'm doing basketball content. So Look at that. Oh my gosh. Got my different modes. So yeah, I'm gonna be recording basketball content. Gotta do my pro mode. We always go on pro. Change my exposure. We go on manual mode, low exposure, 120. I've learned all of this myself, doing my research to do this for basketball. I D-log everything. I'm not doing D-log 2 yet, even though they say that's the best. I don't think I can do D-log 2 as of yet because I'm gonna do a lot of zooming. I don't want to deal with that. I heard a lot of stuff about the different colors. I mean, not the colors, the switching between the zooms and everything. So I'm going through that. Image adjustment. Let's go -2, -2. And I think we set up right now. So yeah, that's my setup. You got the tracking, multi-person tracking, spotlight, follow. What else? Oh, let's go back. Oh, okay. So, ooh, okay. No, let's turn off. Okay. We just going through it. I'm sorry, y'all. That's my first time. I mean, I watched a few videos, but just to be able to sit there and go through this myself is so nice. So as you see, here it is. You can see I'm looking at the screen. Is that this is my Osmo Pocket 3 recording this. You see the other side. I put the tripod on so I can stand it up because right now it's downloading the firmware update. Oh, it's done. I had to get it done. It's done now. So it's ready to connect back to it. Connect back to my pocket. Here we go. Oh shoot. Yeah. I would say this is for long form, so I'm doing this for both YouTube and shorts. So I'm trying to do both. So now it's gonna continue. Yep, it's updating the firmware. You can see it there. Going through everything. And I'll be back. I ain't gonna waste your time real quick. So while I'm waiting, I did want to look at this. So this is the little controller. This is pretty neat. And I noticed the joystick is so loose compared to the joystick from the old one. I mean, from my 3, it's very, very loose. I like that. It's like I got more movement instead of like stationary. So you got the remote, got a little IR blaster on it, maybe. I'm gonna wait till it's done before I turn this on. Probably gonna have to charge it. But like I said, I got my mic. This is the DJI mic I'm using right now for the recording. And I got the new mic here. I'm gonna use this soon. And I'm gonna show you my first video on this thing, why I'm complete. Like I said, this is my setup. I've been making videos in this area for a while. So this is QBZ Tech. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Like I said, I do sports content. I'm not going to do the average. I mean, I do some vlogs. I have a vlog channel. Me and my wife, we do vlogs on cruises and stuff. It's called QT Travels. We do vlogs or, our daily life on there. I'm trying to do that consistently. So that's going to make us do more consistent things. We got 2 cameras now. So we both can record things. And then I'm going to do basketball, sports and stuff content on another channel called QBZ Films. Go and check that out. And then also I'm gonna do my tech stuff. So I'm gonna start doing more tech videos. I got a bunch of stuff I use for my setup. I used to do gaming content and everything. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm trying to branch out and do more things that's for the community. I don't say for community to help other people. All right, so the update is complete. Hit done. Searching for it. It's done. We are here. They said updated. I don't know if you can see that because it's too bright. It says updated. I'm gonna change the device name. It disconnected, but I think it changed the name. We updated. Got the D-log, got the battery percentage on there, how much time we got that you can see. Look at that zoom. How do you go all the way to 12 times? Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, so I want to check out this remote. Turn it on. Turn it on. Let me turn this camera back on real quick. I gotta set the remote up too? That's cool. Set the remote up. English. It's already done? What? If you see, look, you can see it. It's moving already. It's already set up. I'm already switch modes. We know. Playback. Look, the video I just recorded. You can see the video I just recorded. That's crazy. That is crazy. So there's moving. This thing is cold. That's how far distance I got. Oh man, I'm way back here, and it's working still. All right, all right. So this is the remote because it's off. Turn that off. You got the microphone here. Microphone. Here's the charger for the remote. And then you got 2 arm wristlets. I'm gonna use these. I use my wristlets. I don't care what nobody say. I'll probably do a video of me putting this on. Could turn this off. You got your light. Just the light on. You got another charger. This is probably for, I don't know if this charger for this or the charger for the microphone charger. But that's basically it. Chargers and wristlets and bags. You get 2 bags. You got a bag here and a bag here. And then I'll show you my case and all the accessories I'm gonna get with it on the next video. This is the Osmo Pocket 4P recording. I'm in my light right now, so you can see me clear. This is the Osmo Pocket 4P. I am trying to record this in my light so I can see this clear since I'm in D-Log, so it's in good quality. It looked good. I mean, I'm doing active track right now, so you can see I'm moving. The camera is following me. You see the lights there, and I see the zoom all over in my face. Look at that. See my teeth? Don't look at them yellows. All right. See the beard? So it zooms in quick. That was quick. So I am very interested to see how it is on basketball. As I know I just went dark right there. You see, I'm watching the way it goes. So this is the video for the unboxing. I'm going to shoot some more stuff. Probably go outside, shoot some stuff, and make another different video. But I'm going to keep this short. I mean, I keep this short because it's long enough for the unboxing. So this is the unboxing and just showing me right here. This is your boy QBZ Tech. I got too many channels, y'all. QBZ Tech. Like I said, I am tech savvy, but I'm not one of those analytic people. I'm gonna give you my purest thoughts. You gonna work with it just like I'm working with it. But hit that subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, and we are out. It's your boy QB. Peace.